Everyone, I'm Robin with Robin33, and I went shopping today at the Dollar General, so I wanted to show you a couple things I picked up. I think I got some good deals, and I think I've got some ideas for these good deals. Okay, first up, this was $5. Look at the size of those daisies. They're about the size of my hand. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 daisies with some pretty nice looking leaves too. So I got those. They had some smaller ones, and these were $1. Perfect for what I need them for. Squeeze the Day. Is that not adorable? $1. $1. I thought this would be cute. I have a lemon tier tray that I'm doing soon, so I think this is going to fit really good in there. And you know how much I love Farmhouse. Check this out. This wooden basket. It's got a wooden base, and it's got like chicken wire around it. This was $5. It was a metal bucket. And then I showed you the other day how to make those door hangers with the hyacinth chargers. They had more. And this stuff was scattered throughout the store. It wasn't like placed in one spot. So you really have to look hard, because I went down all the aisles. Okay, so I got 2 more of those because I thought I want to do a beach one. And I thought this would be awesome for a beach one. Just check back. I did one the other day. Then, oh my gosh, I could not resist this. Check this out. It was $10. It was a mailbox. I'm thinking I am going to distress this. We're not going to leave it this like copper color. I'm going to do this up different. I think a whitewash on this would be really cute. And there's 2 hangers on the back. So I can hang some rope from that and put one of our button bow holders at the top. I can have this open, or I could even take that off if I wanted and just leave the little one and use this for a different project. So there's a couple ideas here, but check this out. I mean, well, let me do this. I just bend it sometimes. But look at that. Wouldn't that be so cute? A daisy mailbox. But yeah, we can make this look really distressed by putting a whitewash on it. So I'm just giving you a peek of some of the stuff that I'm going to have coming up on different lives. I also, with our new machine, want to make a letter door hanger. So I thought this would be really cute with a nice big L on it. All right, thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.